Hi everybody, this is Sherry from Share Bear Cottage. Come on in, welcome. I'm really on here today just to say Happy Merry Christmas Eve and have a wonderful Christmas tomorrow. Hope you get to lots of presents and you get to spend a lot of loving time with your family and your friends. But I thought, maybe if you ever found yourself in a pinch like I have found myself in a pinch before, you would want to have a way to make some real quick tags for your presents. So what I did is I just cut up, these are 3 by 2.5. That's what these are. And, they work really good. This is just a piece of real light cardstock. You can use book page. You can use old scrapbook paper, anything. You're just making a tag. So, for a gift. So just do it like this. And if you've got any of the gift wrapping paper that you happen to wrap the gift with, that would be perfect too. Just put a little circle or a little, free drawn frame on there. And I'm looking here to see if I have any of my Christmas paper, but I don't. I have some of this. So if I wrapped my present in this, what I could do is just, cut a little square like this, or cut a little piece like this and put it on here like that. Let's do it. So have you guys had a good week? I've been busy this week. Today I'm doing an unconventional Christmas dinner. It's just for me and for my next week. So I was going to make a roast beef, with all the fixings. And I bought my my roast, I don't know how long ago. But I've had it in the freezer. And I thought, okay, I will save it for Christmas and I'll make it then. So here, you could just leave it like this, leave it blank, and then they'll be wondering, who is that for? Right? They'll be all curious. So take your little hole punch and open this up. You can put it on the back side, and that way you can put your ribbon or your twine or your string or whatever you're going to have in there. And so when you open it up, it's going to say, let me see if I can find a nice pen here that I can write with. Okay, hold on. Okay, I found a pen, but I thought I'd, do these corners with the little one. You know how I am about corners. I don't like them very well. Uh-oh. Now it's going to give me trouble. If I put it in there right, it's going to come out right. All right, so the reason I don't go through here is because it'd be a little harder to see what it says inside. This way it'll be easier. So I'm just going to put this little, hope you can see me, this little lace in here. What's that darkness I see? Lots of shadows. Wow. What's going on, folks? Okay. And I'm just going to tie it in a little knot. There, like that. And then you can tie it on your ribbon that you wrap your gift with, or just tape it on like that. All right, let's put some ink on it. We can't have it without ink. It's way too naked. Now, if you're putting, something else and you don't want ink, by all means, don't ink it, hon. Don't ink it. Okay. So there's that. I got my little Christmas lights. Whoop! I want to show you. Oh, you can't even see them. It's so bright in here. Let's turn the lights off. Uh-oh. Let's turn this light off too. yeah, can you see my little Christmas lights all around my table? Oh, my goodness. Okay, well, you must know that I'm just a kid at heart by now, if you've watched me for a while. And for those of you who don't know me, that's me. I'm just a kid at heart. So, you know, I like Christmas, and Christmas has always been one of my most favorite times of the year. Not so much anymore, but you know, I deal with that. So let's see. I've got a. Oh, I thought this was red and it's pink. I don't want to write in pink. So I've got one here. What color is this one? This black. That'll work just fine. So then here you can put your two, or you can make it big all the way across, or you can make it small. 2, and I always used to sign mine Santa. So there you go. You can do your to and your from. Is that okay? I didn't know if that was. So that's one little thing. Okay, now here I have a couple of ones that look like file folders. I don't know if I want to put them together or just leave them that way. Where's that other one I had? Also, guys, this paper, you know, that you have at the ends of your paper that you're always cutting off when you cut some stuff out. This is perfect. Just make it 3 inches wide and you've got a perfect little tag. Perfect. Let me show you. I don't know how much 3 inches is, but I'm going to say it's about this much. So I could get 2 of them out of this tag. I mean, out of this, 2 tags out of this little end. Whoops. Okay, well, if it didn't have this on it, I could. Or you can cover it up with something. Let me cut this. All right. So you know, and this is, I mean, you can take anything you have, just make a little piece of paper, fold it in half, you know, you can punch your hole through the whole thing and not have to worry about anything else. That's fine. And just like that, you put a cup. These are all leftovers from last year Christmas. Isn't that cute? Just a little package on there. I think that's really cute. Let's just put it on there. Yep, just like that. I got to take my corners off. If the corners don't bother you, don't take them off. And then I do want to put just a little bit. I know it's white, and that's the way it's going to be. And then, you know, you do your to and from. You put your little ribbon through there, like that. Cute? You could do dozens of these in a matter of minutes. I mean, 10 minutes, you could have a whole bunch done. So, you know, just get some, you know, if you have stickers, whatever you have, you know, will work. Here's a candy cane house that I had from last year. That'd be real cute. Here's just a gift. That'd be cute too. Let's do a couple more of these. But yeah, basically I just came on here to tell you guys Merry Christmas. I hope you have a wonderful Christmas. I will be trying to do a couple videos during the Christmas week. You know, so you have something to watch. If you're not watching football, right? Okay, let's just do this while we have it right here. You don't have to do the back if you want, but, you know, they're just going to kind of go in the trash anyway. So let's see, what do we want to do on this one? Maybe we'll do What do we got here? We got the house. Maybe, what's this? Oh, that's cute. It's a cup of Joe. It's a cup of chocolate, hot chocolate. Isn't that sweet? That is. There we go. We'll put that right on there. Darling, so cute. I'm just going to use my my glue. So we'll all be getting ready for the new year. It's going to be a good year, 2025. A good year. We're going to make our hole in here. You put your to and from on the inside, and your little, you could use just a sticker, you know, and put on there, you know, if you wanted to, you could. Okay, let's make one more. So we've got 1, 2. I was even going to make one on this paper, you know, but I'll put that aside for now, because I'm not going to keep you very long. But you know, this is how they work. So cute, so fun, you know, and no problems here. Here's one. Doesn't even have a backside. You can just turn it over. It can just be turned over. Like that. And they look so cute, you know, if you put a ribbon on them, or, you know, whatever you put on them. I was going to show you a couple with the washi tape. There you go. I'm trying to hurry for you. 2 and to and from, just like that. I cut this one kind of stupid. There we go. See how cute? And then if you want to put a little, let's make a little thing with the washi tape. Oh, I thought that was it. No. Well, I wanted to use that, but I don't see it. Let's try this one. Looks like it's right here. I'm just gonna cut a little piece off. There we go. And cut a little piece off that. And then we can just put it right here. And right there. And you can have it like that. Now, you can tape that on, or you could have just put it on with your washi tape, but I'd use regular tape. You don't want to lose your tag. Okay, let's see what we got here. I started to make it didn't turn out like I wanted. I guess it's kind of low. Okay. I have some more that are a little smaller. Well, here's one ready to go. Let's use this one. I haven't even put any ink on this since, you know, the last time I used it. Let's put some pretty washi tape on it. Oh, come on. Oh, I think it's right here. Yes. It's only 61 degrees here today in Southern California. And I guess that's okay. You know. Just cut some of it off. And how easy is this, right? Whoops. Here, let's do it this way. And then I can cut off the other part. I'm kind of all thumbs today. Feeling like all thumbs. Well, I was in the kitchen, cleaning up the kitchen so I could mess it all up again. My roast was frozen this morning, so it's still fine for tomorrow. Okay, there it is. That's very cute. And, you know, I do have some trim too, you know. Something like this. These little ones, they come in handy. Here we go. This one will make it go all the way around. Okay, so it's going to start right there. And to there. Cute. Very cute. So you see, it's just so easy to make something quick when you're in a hurry. So here, I was going to put some bling on one. Let's put some bling on this one. Oh, that fits perfect. Look at that. Mister, you be quiet. All right, there's another one, guys. And then you're to and from. So let's just see what we got here for our quick little gift tags. This one doesn't want to stay closed. It's from the ribbon. It's okay. And look at all these in just a few minutes. All right, guys. Remember, give me a thumbs up, and you know I love you, and you have a very safe Christmas, and love your family. And I'm so thankful that you're there, and I'll see you soon. Okay, take care. Bye-bye.